So this is the training video for the table kit. The table kit is actually simpler than it looks. This is one of the ends you'll need. You'll need 3 of these for your table, obviously 1 each end and 1 in the middle. The main thing to consider with this is establish your top spread. Once you have that measurement of the top spread, there is a table in the manual here. Will give you all the calculations you need for all these other pieces of timber to create the parallelogram needed to allow the table to collapse. Well, the only thing to consider here is actually tables are quite big, so be very careful on the weight of your timber. So the clip is fitted exactly as we fitted the other clips before. We have this bar just to add a bit of length to it, but it still works exactly the same. And when the clip releases, the table will drop down. So the other important thing to remember when building the table is you must find a way to keep it rigid, build it rigid and strong. So allow the fall the way the hinges to go. All this information, how to do that, is in the manual. It's all in there. The calculations to cut the timber to the right length, it's all in there. Trust the sizes, they do work.